What's going on, guys? It's Big JD here, and over here we have a loose bathroom doorknob. See how loose it is? That's not good. And the way you tighten it is you gotta pop this out. You take a flathead and you insert it in here. Once you push, you press on it and it comes out. And you have this as a cover. You gotta do is you gotta pop it out. There you go. And you gotta tighten this. Let me just switch this. I'm trying to do it with just a flat, but I'm doing everything with one hand. It's a little hard. It was very loose. Apparently that can fall out or something can break. Might as well just tighten it before you have more problems. Now you don't want to over tighten it, just tighten it just with finger strength. Just nice, simple finger strength. You see that? There you go. Pop that cover back in there. Just like that. You take the handle. Make sure when you pop it back in there, make sure the hole and this little pin here meet each other. Just like this. There you go.